calls itself the world's famous iconic department store, and it's hard to argue. Dating back to the 1800s, it's synonymous with luxury and opulence. With more than 300 departments and 1.1 million square feet of selling space, it's also the largest department store in Europe. The present Harrods building was constructed in 1905. Aside from the 300 departments, it has 20 restaurants, a bank, and a beauty salon. Long-standing iconic stores such as Harrods in Knightsbridge are famous around the world for their luxury and history. Harrods is a must-visit destination to experience the best and the biggest fashion and retail. If you want to explore the entire store, you should allow at least 2 hours. Also displayed in Harrods is Innocent Victims, a bronze statue of Diana, Princess of Wales, and Dodi Fayed. Was displayed between year 2005 and 2018. It was commissioned by Dodi's father, Mohammed Al Fayed, when he owned Harrods, and designed by William Mitchell. Princess Diana and Dodi Al Fayed were dating at the time of her death. This has been removed from Harrods in April 15, 2018.